This is QT12-15 biggest full automatic block machine line from Rayton Machinery Limited. The host brick making machine is a key in the brick plant. Our host brick machine has the following advantages. 1. The whole steel structure is using 18 mm width, 8 mm thickness square steel tubes to make sure the machine is very stable during vibration. 2. Reasonable and advanced brick machine design to distribute the raw materials uniformly and quickly into the molds. 3. 900 degrees Celsius high temperature heat treatment, capillizing heat treatment on the mold, make it much more strong and durability. 4. The vibration box, vibration table, and mold surface are machining very flat to make the finished blocks to be all with same height. 5. Copper bush inside the mold guiding column. More than 10 years life. 6. We can normally use China famous brand Shanbo brand motors, CHNT brand switches, Germany Schneider circuit breaker, Japan Omron sensors, Japan Yukon and Taiwan Kyoka electronic magnetic valves. Also the Siemens motors, Siemens PLC can be customized. 7. All the molds are tested to make out the blocks before shipment is our basic principle. Rayton Machinery Company warmly welcome the worldwide buyers to visit and give us your precious suggestions. Sincerely cooperate is highly appreciated.